Music. Citizens Bank or Northern Trust? Which one's right for ****? This video compares both to help you decide. We've included links to their products in the description below. Let's dive in. Citizens Bank is a full-service bank serving individuals, families, and small businesses across the U.S. They focus on accessible solutions like checking and savings accounts, personal loans, mortgages, and student loan refinancing, all with competitive rates and low fees. Their mobile app features budgeting tools, bill pay, and mobile check deposit. For businesses, Citizens offers merchant services, credit lines, and cash management tools. It's ideal for those wanting reliable, customer-focused banking with both digital and in-person branch support. Northern Trust, however, specializes in wealth management, asset servicing, and institutional investing. They cater to high-net-worth individuals, families, and institutional clients. Northern Trust offers personalized investment management, estate planning, trust administration, and private banking. Their expertise is in managing complex portfolios and preserving wealth, making them a top choice for affluent clients. While they don't offer basic checking accounts, their private banking provides tailored loans, mortgages, and credit solutions integrated with your wealth strategy. So, which one? If you're an individual or small business needing everyday banking with user-friendly products, choose Citizens Bank. But if you're a high-net-worth individual or family requiring expert wealth management and personalized financial solutions, Northern Trust is unmatched. Explore their services using the links below, and choose the bank that fits your needs.